Hello friends, welcome back once again to Computer Tech, and today I'm going to unbox one of the most famous feature phone, that is Samsung Guru Music version 2. It is also called Samsung Music Guru 2. I just recently purchased this smartphone and it is manufactured in July 2018. You can see the MRP is 1950, but I got this only just for 1600. You can also purchase it by online from Amazon on Flipkart and Amazon on both sides. It is retailing at 1625 rupees. Now that is open. This, yeah, you will also got 1000 rupee cashback from Vodafone, but there is some glitch. So here is our phone, Samsung Guru Music 2 in black color. Let us see what you got in inbox content. As usual, charger from Samsung, very good quality, and this is a battery. Its rating is 800 mAh, sufficient for a feature phone. You can use your feature phone without charging for 2 days or 3 days. 800 mAh sufficient. And one good thing on purchasing this phone over Samsung Guru Music or Samsung other phone and Nokia 105, that you will get headphones from Samsung, which is obviously are from very good quality. And what you will get extra, yeah, these are the user manuals and some usual notes, warranty card, etc. Yeah, and here is the bill. Let me show you. I got this phone from offline at 1600. Online it is available at 1625. Charger, and I have placed my Airtel SIM card in SIM 1 slot. This is SIM 2 slot. You can use any company SIM card, and here is a port for micro SD. I preferred this mobile over Jio phone because in Jio phone you can use only one SIM, and that must be a Jio SIM. But in this mobile you can use any company SIM, and you also got a micro SD. So let me put the things and switch it on. Let us check what we are getting in the menu. Here is call log, contact, music, file folder, all normal things. FM radio is also there, but you have to use your earphone for operating this FM. Here is setting and other things. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel